Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language on your Acer XB241H. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the second button right here, and from here navigate with these as they are under. So right now we want to press on the second one again, then scroll down, go to the middle, now press this button right here, go for the language, press this same button again, and from here you are able to change the language by pressing on these arrows. So let's pick the English again. Here we have English. Let us go back and the language is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.